In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a folder on Google Drive. You might find yourself needing to tidy up your Google Drive from time to time, whether it's to clear some clutter or just to keep your files well organized. The task is simple enough, but if you're new to Google Drive or unsure of the steps, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. This can be done by going to drive.google.com on your preferred web browser, whether that be Chrome, Firefox, or any other that you use. If you aren't already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do so by entering your login information. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Google Drive homepage, a familiar place where all your files and folders are housed. Take a moment here to orient yourself and locate the folder you want to delete. With the homepage open, the next step is to identify the specific folder you'd like to remove. Scrolling through your list of folders, find the one you wish to delete. Simply click on it to select it. You'll notice the folder you select will be highlighted, making it clear which folder you have picked. If your drive is cluttered, using the search bar at the top can speed up this process. You can just type in the name of the folder if you remember it, which might save you some time scanning through your files. With your folder selected, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page. Look for the trash can icon, which signifies delete. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on this icon. A brief confirmation message may pop up asking if you're sure you want to move this folder to the trash. Confirm by clicking OK or Yes, and voila, the folder is now deleted. It's important to note that deleting a folder moves it to your Google Drive trash, just like emptying the trash on your computer. It will remain there for 30 days before being permanently deleted, giving you a window to restore it if needed. If you're certain that you won't need it anymore, you may choose to empty your trash to free up storage space immediately. Deleting files and folders regularly keeps your drive organized and efficient, especially if you heavily rely on it for personal or professional activities. Organizing a cloud-based system like Google Drive can significantly enhance productivity and make your important files more accessible. So make it a habit to review your folders and keep only what you need. That's it for today's tutorial on deleting a folder from Google Drive. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes managing your files a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.